cough, what it really means and how it happens. A cough may seem simple, but it's your body's powerful defense system. Whenever dust, germs, or mucus irritate your airways, your body reacts instantly to clear them out. Some coughs are dry and scratchy, others are wet and filled with mucus, each one telling its own story. Most coughs come from colds, allergies, or throat irritation, but a persistent cough lasting more than 3 weeks could signal something more serious. Warm water, honey, ginger, and rest often bring relief, but always listen to your body. A cough isn't just noise, it's a message you shouldn't ignore. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks.